welcome back to Music with Mrs. Smith. And today we are going to continue on in our books. We're going to start with a warm-up, and I've chosen number 88 on page 18 to do that. So turn with me, would you please, to page 18, number 88 in Essential Elements, book 1. It's in the yellow section. We worked on that last time. Here we go. It's just like a small scale with a little arpeggio at the end. And arpeggio is when we skip notes like this. And scale is when we play notes in a line, going up or down. Going up and down. Here we go. Number 88. 1, 2, ready, go. Try that one more time. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay. Try that again if you need to. All right. So today we're going to continue on, and our first piece is number 90, called Variations on a Familiar Theme. And so you will know this theme. I'll play it for you. Here you go. Twinkle, twinkle. Okay, so you're going to play Twinkle, Twinkle. That is the theme. And then you're going to play two different little sections that are going to be similar, but not quite the same. And it's called a variation, because it's going to change the melody a little bit, but you can still always hear that theme happening in the piece. Okay. So it's kind of fun. If we were in class, I would show you the Mozart theme and variations on this. Generally speaking, they think that Mozart wrote Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, but it is not for sure. So here we go. Theme, variations on a familiar theme. It's going to seem rather slow when I start it, but when we get to variation 2, you will realize why I started this slow. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, so when you get to second variation, it gets a little bit faster, just a wee bit faster, because there's more eighth notes, so your fingers are moving faster. Okay, here we go. Let's play it one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, now let's play it one more time. This time I will play with the snare drum. And each time there's a different pattern happening in each in each section of the piece. Okay, so in the first section, percussion, you got, it's working on the flam. And the second section, we've got French fry, watermelon. And then in the third section, it kind of has another different rhythm here. Fry, French fry, watermelon. Okay, here we go. 90. 1, 2, ready, go. Dun, dun, dun. Did mess up a little bit there on the fourth and third last bar. Sorry. Let's just do the variation 2 one more time for percussion, because I really screwed that up while I was trying to sing along. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Dun, 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 dun. That was better. Okay. And then we're going to look at another piece, Banana Boat Song. Also, these 2 pieces are a little bit long, but not too difficult. So, we have 2 concepts in this piece. And the first one is da capo al fine, which everyone has. D, C, al fine. And if you look at the yellow box, it tells you da capo means to go back to the beginning. And fine means the end. So go back to the beginning till the end. And you'll see in your music, there's a spot in your music where it says fine. I know it looks like the word fine, but in Italian it is fine. Okay. The second concept that we have in this piece is for percussion. You have a new set of rhythm, a new rhythmic grouping, and you'll see in your book it shows you in the yellow. So 1 and a 2 and a 1 and a 2 and so what's happening is you have 1/8 note and 2/16. Looks like this. And that group equals 1 beat. So before you were doing watermelon, 1 beat. French fry, 1 beat. And you had pie. So pie, French fry, watermelon. Those all equal 1 beat. And so is this new grouping. You have an 1/8 note and 2/16 notes. And I like to use the word hamburger, 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 hamburger. Dun, da, da, dun, da. 1, 2. Hamburger, 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 hamburger. So percussion, when you look at your part of the music, if you look at bar 1, the rhythm would be hamburger, French fry, French fry, French fry. Okay. And you'll notice that for most of these bars in this piece, every bar begins with a hamburger. Okay, so for the rest of you, let's play the Banana Boat Song here. All right, so we're on 91 Banana Boat Song, and so I will play with you on the trumpet first. So trumpet and brass are starting a little higher note there to start with. So get that note first. There we go. Okay, ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, so as we discussed, a DC al fine, da capo al fine, you go to the end, and then you go back to the beginning and you play until the fine. So in this case, you'll play all the way to the end, and then you'll play again at the beginning the first 4 bars. Okay, I'll play it again with you on the flute. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, lastly, we'll play a snare drum here. I'm just going to count it out. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so just remember percussion. That first bar there, hamburger, french fry, french fry, french fry, hamburger, french fry, french fry, french fry. Use those words, say it out loud. That will help you as you're learning those rhythms. All right, that's it for this week. Bye.